So guys, a lot of you have been asking me, how exactly can you make money with other people's content without having copyrighted? And to be honest, I've made several videos, not two, not three, not five, about 10 videos on how you can actually make money using other people's content. But due to the so many questions I keep getting repeatedly, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you the three main recommended methods that I will personally recommend you to use in order to actually make money with other people's content legally. So hello guys, now I believe you can actually see my screen over here now. Now I'm going to go straight and I share these two methods with you. Now the first method is basically the commentary method. Now this commentary method is simple. You get a material, you add your voice over it, and you are basically good to go. So let me show you how you can actually get this done. Now the first thing you need to do is simply you need to save the video you want to react to or whatever content you want to react to. So this could possibly be a TikTok video, Facebook, or whatever platform that you know you can actually get the videos from without having any copyright problem. You basically go with it. So in this situation, let me say how to use a TikTok video. Now, for example, let me just look for a video that I actually want to use, a video that will download faster. So you can just come over to the search tab here and then search for whatever video that you want. Let me just go for, let me say I want to take any Charlie Poppy's video. So let me just open up Charlie Poppy and then so I don't even know what brought this into my mind. So for example, let me say you want to add your own commentary over this video and repost. Now it must not be video, like it can be any sort of video added. I'm just using this as an example in this tutorial. Now the next thing you need to do is simply click on the share button here and then you save the video by clicking on save here. Now once you are saving, you basically have to wait for this count to get up to 100 and then you're good to go. Okay, so now it's actually done saving. So once you save the video like this, the next thing you need to do is simply come over to your video editor. Now for this particular video, I will recommend InShot. Now the reason why I prefer InShot over CapCut is that InShot actually allows you to remove your watermark without having to pay for it. Meanwhile on CapCut you have to pay before you get rid of the watermark. Now for that particular reason, I would say you should go with InShot, and it's also cool just like CapCut. It has almost every single feature CapCut has, and when it comes to mobile phone editing, InShot is pretty much good as well and can even be used on lower end devices unlike CapCut. So now once you come over here, you click on where it says video. Now you click on where it says new. Now over here where it says new, you basically have to import in the particular video you want to add your commentary on. So for example, this is a Charlie Poppy video I saved right now. Now add it up. Now so let me say you want to add your own voiceover. Maybe in the video he was actually promoting his song. So now let me go back. You can see that what he's actually promoting is song known as Lahore, which is the remix with Burna Boy. Now let me say you are a celebrity talker who wants to repost this video on your profile and then you want to add your voice over to it because you assume it's going to add value. Like basically you assume that this video is actually going to drag attention to your profile. Now what you need to do here is simply come over to where it says audio. You can see we have canvas, audio, sticker, and text. Now you click on where it says audio. Now once you come over here, you can use AI text to speech, but I'm not going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to talk about the one where you have to use your own personal voice right now. Now you need to click on where it says record. Now once you click on record, now you have this countdown option that you can just disable and then just go straight to the point. But I would say you should go with the countdown option, so within that 3 seconds you can calm yourself and then start doing your voice over. So now let me just turn down on, and then now I have to wait for it to count up to 0. So now once you finish counting, now you need to add your voiceover. So let's say I want to react to this particular video in my own way and then post. Now here's what I'm going to do. So hello guys, now you can see that what a lot of people have been saying, that Charlie Poppy is farming his views and sort of things as compared to a lot of these new creators. However, you can see how he's seriously promoting his own video by reacting to it, dancing to it, and then posting it on his TikTok profile. So basically you can see that what it doesn't seem like Charlie Poppy is actually farming his views, but based on what we are saying, he's actually promoting it, and during this promotion, this way he's gaining a lot of the attention he's getting that a lot of these new cats in the industry are not getting. So I think content music wise, Charlie Poppy is way ahead of most of these beginners because he's putting in their effort. Now you see I'm basically done adding my voiceover. Now after I add your voiceover, what you need to do next is simply play the song for them to actually hear. So basically now you add a call up to action like, so guys, okay, let me just wait for it to calm down. So guys, you cannot listen to the song he is actually promoting. Now that's simple. Now when you are adding the song he is actually promoting, now you see if the actual clip was not long enough for you to do all of that, all you basically need to do is simply click on where it says add and then come over to video and then add another clip of Charlie Poppy with the same song. Now once you basically add it, now once you add this other one with the song, now here's one time I will tell you. For those of you who react to this sort of music videos, I will advise you not to let it go more than 30 seconds. Highest should be 30 seconds so you don't have any copyright problem. So basically, in most cases, you don't have to play the song for too long. Maybe 10 seconds, 10-15 seconds is enough. Now, when you are using this 10-15 seconds, make sure you go to the main part of the song that you know that will actually attract people to request for it in the comment section. So once people request for it in the comment section, now in this way you are building engagement. You can just go over there, reply to their comment, and make sure you reply. That's your work as a content creator. Make sure you always reply to comments. So if you are watching this video right now, kindly drop a comment and I'm going to reply to you. Now basically you use that one to get their attention because a lot of people will not know the song and not everyone knows how to Shazam song. So basically they might ask what is the title of this song. The song sound good. Now you just have to respond to them by giving them the song title. In this way you are building engagement for your page as well. So guys, that aside, now this is the first method in actually building what we call, in actually using someone's content legally without having any copyright issue, is basically adding your own voice commentary to it. Now let's get over to the second method. Now guys, the second method is also simple and straightforward, but this one is known as a reaction method. Now with this method, you have to actually show your face on camera, maybe show your face on the screen. Now if you are someone who is using an iPhone, I'm sorry you can't do this because the software we are using for this thing is not available on iPhone. It's only available on Android. Now don't ask me how I know. I'm shooting this video with iPhone, so I've already checked the Apple Store. This software is not there, and that's why I'm doing it with my Android for you. Now basically what you need to do here, simply click on S Recorder. Now for those of you who are using Android, just head over to your Play Store and then look for the app called S Recorder. You can just download it. It's 100% free and easy for you to actually download. Now once you download it here, now it's going to have these ads. Now it's normal, you just have to wait for the ads to finish displaying, then you do whatever thing you want to. So now guys, once the ad is over, once the ad is over, then to bring it over to the S Recorder interface like this. Now the next thing you need to do here, where am I even showing you? It's already showing over here. Now the next thing you need to do here, simply click on where it says face cam. Now this one will actually show your face on the screen, like you can see my face right now. Now once your face comes on the screen right like this, the next thing you need to do is simply come back, and then if this feature is not enabled yet, you see this feature which says a floating ball, make sure it's also enabled. Now the reason why I need this feature enabled is that it will give you these buttons at this side here for you to actually use for your control. No, they will not show in your video when you do the recording. It will not show in it, but they are just buttons that you can actually use to play and pause your recording. Now basically once you have this one here, you just position it. Now the next thing you need to do is simply come over to your gallery. Now assuming the video you want to react to, you've actually saved the video. So in my own situation, maybe this is the video, which is the video I saved right now. Now the next thing is simply I'll just keep my face at one side like this. Now I have my face at one side, then I'll drag this thing back to the beginning. Now we're back to the beginning of the actual video. Now you can start adding your reaction to this video by saying whatever thing you want to say. Now this method is actually way better than any other form of reaction out there. The reason is that with this method, you have your face on the screen and also a voiceover as well. This one gives you more authority over the content than any other method. The commentary method will also get you through, but this method actually even helps you build more credibility as people get to see your face, know who is behind the channel. And if you're someone who doesn't want to put your face there as well, there's no problem. So now once you are done with your S Recorder recording, you just have to click on these buttons here. You see this place here, you actually get a timer. Now the reason why I'm not clicking on it is simply because I already have a different recorder running, which is the one recording my screen right now. If I should do anything to pause it, it will actually cancel the other one. So I don't just want to do that double stress. Now guys, that is basically it for how you can actually use someone's content legally. Now this is the second method that I said I have for you. Now remember I told you I have 3 methods for you. Now the third method is basically by using the AI method. Now if you are someone who is not interested in keeping your face on camera, you are not interested in using your voiceover, now you can actually use what we call the combination sort of using someone's content legally. Now that other method is also very great for those of you who don't want to involve yourself in anything. Now you basically have to watch that video that is showing at the top here right now. Now in that particular video, I've shared every single thing in it. Like I can't add that method to this particular video. That's why I said 3 method. I said 3 because that one was part of it, but then there's no way I can add it to it because it will basically demand more, and it will take this video to about 30 to 40 minutes. So which I don't actually want. So you can go watch that video, as I've already done a video covering it. In that particular video, we are going to learn every single thing on how you can actually use AI to do these sort of things as well, and you can also get monetized legally by doing that method. So guys, with this already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So see you in my next video. Bye.